my car and this is my remote control. Now let's do it side by side. I wonder what will my brother do to me after making fall this box. He has done this arrangement like this. He has kept his box over here and the ball on top. I hope it will not fall on me. Let's start. I hope he doesn't say. Oh! Run! Yay! Press the fail. Car! Come on, go! Now I have to control these type of cars. Oh my God! What did you just do? Oh, I win. Stay out there. I'll do nothing to you. I'll let the car just out there and I'll do nothing to you. I promise. Oh, yes! I kicked him! So now this car can also go on the rock. So now let's do it at the rock. Yohan, go on the rocks. We'll test this car with you, we promise. And hope you guys like my video and please give a big like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.